Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Monday morning. It's October the 9th, 2023. This is the morning briefing coming to you from my Home Weather Office. And as I look out the window this morning, we have some clouds. Big change happening right now from the weather we had over the weekend. This weekend, Sacramento hit 94 degrees both days. Average high is about 82, so it was well above average. A little taste of summer, but all of that's going to be changing. Daytime highs today will be 15 to 20 degrees cooler in many areas than what we had over the weekend. And we may even see a few spots of rain here and there, not only today, but again during the day tomorrow. So let's dive into that and show you what's happening this morning. So here is the satellite. It's interesting that the satellite doesn't have enough light on it yet to really kind of get into the visible mode. It's part of the later sunrises we get. Have to wait until the time change. So we have clouds over the Sierra, partly cloudy skies over the valley, but this line of clouds is the cold front. So out ahead of the cold front, we're getting the cooler air, deep marine layer that has rebuilt along the coast, helping to bring in cooler temperatures this morning. But it's really the cold front itself that'll bring the chance of showers. Now, it is going to be a weakening cold front as it comes inland, and there isn't a lot of moisture with this, so that's why we're expecting maybe the chance of some spotty showers as opposed to, hey, it's going to rain. So let me show you the HRRR here and also show you the NAM. And so here's the way the cold front is depicted. And as we go through the morning hours, you can see how that cold front just kind of falls apart. So you start getting some holes in the line here. And this is around midday. And then into the afternoon, this is around 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So this is around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Some very light rain through Butte County and Plumas County, maybe extending down to Sacramento County, but it'll be very, very light and then fall apart. And then as we get into the day Tuesday, I've got to shift the time here, go back to the 12Z run. Let's go back to an earlier run. That'll get us through the day on Tuesday. And so Tuesday, there'll be another little wave that comes through that actually might bring us a better chance of rain in parts of Plumas County. And this is Tuesday around 4 and 5 in the afternoon, as well as on the west slope, including areas like Grass Valley, Nevada City. We have a better chance of rain on Tuesday afternoon. But for areas south of Interstate 80, it looks like any chance of rain is going to be very, very slim. There only may be a couple of sprinkles. The best chances of rain on both Monday and Tuesday will be on the Coast Range, the west slope of the Sierra, and areas north of, like I said, north of Interstate 80. Let me show you the NAM. The NAM shows something very similar. So here's our cold front today falling apart. The NAM makes it fall apart a little bit faster. And then that chance of rain on Tuesday also looks weaker. So the chances of rain, or the total precip accumulation from the NAM, is no accumulation. And from the HRRR, it's a few 1/100ths of rain with some nice rain up here on the north coast. But as you can see, once you get south of Interstate 80, and this is all the way through the day on Tuesday, this includes Tuesday, there really isn't any rain, so I don't think we're going to see anything into Tuolumne County or probably into Calaveras County. So let me take a look at the big picture, and so we'll show you what's going to happen through the rest of the week. So this is our 500 millibar chart, and here comes the cold front going through today. That slides by, and then here's the wave that comes through on Tuesday afternoon to once again bring a chance of some showers. And then beyond that, a ridge builds in. This is getting into the day Thursday, nice ridging. Although I'll tell you on Wednesday, right here, Wednesday, we may have a bit of north flow in the valley. I think it's going to be kind of breezy with that north breeze on Wednesday. Thursday, everything dies down, and then over the weekend, we may see some clouds from time to time. This is getting into the day on Saturday. This is Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. Nice flow here that may bring us moderate temperatures and a few clouds. Now, the thing about that is that during the day on Saturday morning, we have the partial solar eclipse peaking in Sacramento, I think around 9:20 in the morning. And if you want to go find the total annular eclipse, you have to go to the east of Sacramento, go toward Winnemucca or Elko, someplace like that will have a nice view of the eclipse. But right now, there may be some clouds, especially for those from Butte County to the north. To the south, it should be sunny. But that's one of the things we'll keep an eye on, is how much cloud cover we'll see. But right now, it looks like anything you have planned outdoors this weekend should be okay. But we'll keep an eye on that, as it looks like the jet stream will be in a good position if there's any little wave in the jet stream to bring us a chance of rain. But right now it doesn't look as though that is going to happen. So the bottom line is today there will be some showers popping up on radar this afternoon, sometime between, let's say, 3 and 6, depending on where you are. Everything would be very, very light, just a few 1/100ths of an inch of rain at best, and then maybe something a little bit better on Tuesday afternoon, especially in the areas that I mentioned, like Grass Valley and into Butte County toward Paradise. So that's everything I got for you this morning. I will be all dressed up in my suit and tie, put on shoes and socks and everything, and be in the office to do the news at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. Make it a great day. I'll talk to you later.